Welcome students. This is module that is unit 2 general account of economically important plants, and today we are dealing with module 6 that is pulses, introduction, and we also will be going to study red gram. So in the previous module you have studied about cereals and millets, and today we will see about the pulses. So broad outline of the module. First we will have a short introduction about pulses. What are pulses? Why they are important? Then we will learn about red gram, identification of red gram, botanical description, cultivation practices, as well as we are going to study about utilization, uses of the red gram. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand the nature of the pulses and also its value of these pulses. What is the importance of these pulses? You will be able to recall the botanical description of red gram, describe the red gram plant, explain the cultivation practices of red gram, and list the uses of red gram. First, we will see what are pulses. Pulses are the dry edible seeds of plants in legume family. The botanical name of the family is Leguminosae or Fabaceae. And why they are important? They are very important in our day-to-day food, okay, because they are very rich in proteins. I hope all of you know they are very rich in proteins because they have a kind of association with bacteria in the roots, that is root nodules, which help them to fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and they will produce more and more proteins in the plant body. That's why they are rich in proteins. Then they are also rich in dietary fibers, vitamins and minerals. They are the major source of protein, especially for vegetarians, because not only it is for vegetarian as such, but those who are not getting or scarcity of meat, for them also if you give pulses, they are excellent supplement of the proteins. They are also they are used for soil restoration because you know now they are capable of nitrogen fixation, atmospheric nitrogen fixation, so they will increase the soil fertility. That's why they are used as a restoration crop also. Now we will see what are the different popular pulses. There are many, okay, there are more than 40 different popular pulses, but I have listed here few of them, most popular, that is red gram, black gram, green gram and horse gram. Then we also have lentil, masoor, then horse bean, that is also called broad bean. We also have pulses cowpea as well as chickpea. Chickpea is chana. Now we will see about the red gram. Red gram is also called pigeon pea, tur dal, also it is called arhar. It's a very important pulse crop or also called legume, which is used in day-to-day life. Probably a native of Africa, but now it is grown in many other countries, and India is the largest producer in the world. The botanical name of the plant is Khajanus khajan, and it belongs to family Fabaceae. Now come to short description of the plant. So this is the image of the plant. It is a woody perennial shrub which may reach about 1 to 4 meter tall. And depending upon the variety, it may be 1 year crop, or sometime the plant may remain for 2 to 3 years also. The leaves are compound. You can see very clearly they are tri-lobed or trifoliate leaves, also called trifoliolate, and the leaves are arranged alternate trifoliolate. Flowers are yellow in color. In some plant you may find purple colored flowers also, little bit purple tinge will be there on the flowers, and they are produced in a raceme inflorescence. Fruit, a pod, and very characteristic is they are constricted obliquely. That is the transverse wall on the pod. What you will find, they will have a oblique wall. That is a very unique character in this red gram. You will find a very cross wall, that is oblique wall between each seed. That is, after one seed you will find the wall, then next seed another wall. They are all oblique. Most of the pods will have transverse wall, whereas here it will be oblique wall. See the pods. You can make out here where you can see the clear oblique wall. Not in all pod, but this central pod you can very clearly you can make out the oblique wall in the pods. Seeds are creamy in color, sometimes little bit blackish also you will find, and they may have various shades or some spots, dark spots on the seeds you will find on them. Different shades, that is red, yellow or brown spots will be seen on these seeds. And when split open, that is when you remove the husk of these seeds, you will find the color of the dal will be like this. Now we will see the cultivation practices, that is how the plant is grown. It is a crop of semi-arid tropics and tolerant to dry conditions. Tolerant to dry condition means it requires little bit lesser rainfall, not very high rainfall. It is mainly grown as a subordinate crop. That means it will be cultivated along with other plants. Okay, some other crops also like sorghum, bajra, all that they will include as a subordinate crop. It can grow in almost all types of soil. You take black soil, red soil, all types of soil it can be grown. Only thing is you have to prepare the soil well. That is, you have to add organic manure and then you have to sow the seeds in rows, keeping some distance. And when the crop is ready, that is almost 75 to 80% of pods are almost matured, then the crop is harvested. And sometime manually the pods are picked, or sometime the whole plant will be cut and that will be dried, and later the seeds are removed or extracted from the plant. Uses of the red gram. It is a very important pulses in day-to-day life. So it can be used as split pulse, or sometime it may be used, the whole grains also will be used. And the dal is used for sambar, and the another form of dishes is that is dal only we call. Then tender green pods are used as vegetable, very popular vegetable wherever they grow. Dried husk and broken pieces of these seeds, while milling, whatever remains, the husk and the smaller pieces of the seeds, that will be used as for the dairy, this food for cattle. Green shoots are very important because the cattle like very much, so they are used as a fodder, and also the whole plant can be used as green manure. It can be used as green manure, very good manure, because they will be rich in nitrogenous compounds. Okay, so they can be used as green manure. And these are the references, and in these references especially I would like to tell you to please visit this website, that is Global Pulse Organization, which will give you very excellent idea about different types of pulses all over the world, and you will get very interesting Indian dishes made up of pulses. So please visit this website also, and you will get a short video in the website about the pulses. Please visit these websites for the more information. Thank you.